Hello guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my ET 1 Minute English with Mr. Khan, where English is easy. Okay, our my ET word for today is weed. Weed. W-H-E-A-T. Wheat. Wheat means gandum in Bahasa Melayu. Gandum. Weed. Can you say the word weed for me? Very good. Can you spell the word weed? Very good. W-H-E-A-T. Weed. Okay, the word weed can be used in a sentence like this. Pasta is made of wheat. Pasta is made of wheat. Wheat is the word for today. Remember the word, remember the spelling, and remember the pronunciation. Practice your English every day. Bye-bye everybody. Take care. This awesome program is brought to you by The Blue Room.